Hi, my name is Kay Avery. I am doing the instructional planning for student engagement assignment, and I focused on the PBL unit, Shrinking Our Footprints, which is science and math grades 3 through 6. And so the first question is, how can it be engaging for students? And I think the question overall in this unit is engaging. It says, how do we reduce how can we use our data to reduce our family's impact on the environment? And I think that itself is engaging, because when you hear that, your students are going to start thinking of things that they can do just automatically off the top of their head. And then the further you get to the assignment, they're going to start measuring how much car gas they use, how much water, how much food waste they have, and just regular trash and things like that they're going to become more aware of, and they're going to keep track of. And the students are going to come in and they're going to compare. And most students, they love to compare, contrast with their peers, and collaborate with their peers in the groups for their project. And they're going to be able to continue being creative and finding ways to help reduce the amount of waste that they're using. And they're going to continue to just be very collaborative and creative to figure out ways to do that. And I think that's going to be very engaging, because they're going to be able to bounce ideas off of each other. So the next question is, describe how the PBL unit is challenging for students. And I think it's going to be challenging for them, as they're going to have to learn to be creative in finding solutions on their own and with their peers and collaborating. And they're also going to have to be collaborative to their parents and be understanding, that maybe themselves may see one thing and then their parents may see another, their usage of things. And I think that's something that's a really great idea. And I do also like the idea of, if this is not able to be done, this assignment is not able to be done at home, they have the option of doing it at school. So depending on your classroom, you're able to change and adapt as needed, which I think is really a great thing. And so when this unit is over, the students are going to learn how to communicate with each other, and how to collaborate with each other and their families to help find ways to reduce their impact on the environment. They are going to, make graphs and make projects of the way that they've been using these, and you're able to they're going to be able to learn different types of measurements and ways to strategize, which is a great tool that all the students need to know. And I think this PBL unit really helps with collaboration and their strategies, learning how to strategize, which is very important.